So looking at worksheet 37, number 5C. Natural log of x, y equals 0, and x equals e. Well, x equals e is that 2.7 value. It's also our axis of rotation for this one. Let's see, natural log of 1 is 0. The natural log of e is 1. So there's the natural log, at least the part of the graph that I'm concerned with. We should remind ourselves what natural log looks like. So there's natural log, but I only want that when when we start at y equals 0 and we go to x equals e. So there's our base area for number 5, for all of number 5. And we rotate it around E. Goodness, I have to really think about where this thing landed. So I'll just kind of draw it, because I don't really need to know where it lands. I don't think. I'm not quite sure how far out it goes, but I don't think I need to know how far out it goes. So we're slicing dy. Our circles are cutting the y-axis. So we're adding up the circles in the y direction. From 0 to 1, because we got to use our y values here. 0 to 1. And it looks like they're all discs. There's no washers in there. There's R. No washers. Take R. Okay, I gotta be careful here because this value is x. So what is R equal to? Well, x is equal to natural log of, well, no, because that value is just x. So if we're off of the x or y axis, it's going to take a subtraction thing to figure out what R is. So R is going to be e minus x. If it's minus, yes. And I don't know how to explain it. I mean, you know how to draw it, right? Because you just draw it from the center line, from the axis to the edge. If your axis of rotation is not x or y axis, it's going to have to involve some subtraction. So that's one hint. This distance is x. Maybe it's helpful to label that. This full distance is e, so e minus x. But I need it in terms of y, so I'm not even done yet. See, if y equals natural log of x, then what does x equal? Yeah. So if you do the loop-de-loop thing, and x equals e to the y. So that's kind of weird. R is e minus e to the y. That's a weird one. Not sure I got that the first time I did this. Yep. And then put that in the calculator and whatever you get. But again, on the test, a lot of times you can leave it like that.